Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to take a closer look at the new Xiaomi 2TB USB 3.2 flash drive. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Now, let's talk about this incredible new gadget from Xiaomi. With its high-speed transfer and metal pendrive design, this flash drive is a game-changer. The Type-C USB interface allows for seamless connectivity and data transfer between devices, making it a versatile and essential tool for anyone on the go. The waterproof feature ensures that your data is always safe and secure, no matter where you are. We understand that some of you may have concerns about compatibility, but rest assured that this flash drive is compatible with 96 of Android devices on the market. Plus, the plug-and-play feature means that no external power supply is required, making it incredibly convenient and easy to use. And let's not forget about the massive storage capacity. With options for 512 GB, 1 TB, and a whopping 2 TB, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your important files and documents. But that's not all. The high-speed and stable data transfer, along with the solid-state storage and ultra-clear cap for connector protection, make this flash drive a must-have for anyone in need of reliable and efficient data storage. So, if you're in the market for a new flash drive that offers top-notch performance and reliability, look no further than the new Xiaomi 2TB USB 3.2 flash drive. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product. And remember, if you have any questions or concerns, our team is always here to assist you and ensure your satisfaction with your purchase. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next review.